In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh IBKR TWS or Trader Workstation. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up your Trader Workstation, and then from here you have two options. You could either go ahead and if you're on Windows, hold down the Ctrl plus Alt plus F, and it's going to pop this window over here where it's going to say, are you sure you want to execute simulate MKT data disconnect? And then over here, if you want to do that, then you can just go ahead and click on OK. But if you are on Mac, then you can use Ctrl plus Option plus F, and it's going to do the exact same thing. Now, as you can see here, it's talking in the back, so it's actually just reconnecting and reestablishing over here. But if that doesn't work for you, you can also do that manually. So just go up here to the top and click on where it says data in the top right, and you can click on reconnect all farms. And when you do that, it's also going to refresh. So just like this.
Market data connection lost.
As you can see, it's now still reconnecting, and whenever that's done, the voice in the background is going to say that it's been reestablished. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.